Hello everyone, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video we'll be making this yummy and delicious baked and chicken potatoes, guys. I want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please pause the video and please consider subscribing, guys. I really appreciate you. This channel won't be without you guys. Let's dive into the video. Hi guys, so this is going to be our ingredients for our baked and chicken potatoes. Okay guys, so as you can see, with a little bit of twist, so this is mixed vegetables. You can choose to use just carrots, okay? And this is our vegetable oil, salt. This is CONNIEMARTS spices. So with CONNIEMARTS spices, we have rosemary, we have black pepper, there is thyme, there's bay leaves, there is nutmeg. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of goodies in there, okay? So I have my pepper, my chicken, and this is my bell pepper, red and green pepper, and my onions. Okay, alright guys, let's dive into it. make it so juicy, you can, make sure it doesn't get so dry, okay? yummy and delicious. So with this, you can just eat it like that, or you can just have some salad on top of it, and you are good to go, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Guys, you are invited. See you next time. Bye.